All right, hello beautiful ones. Welcome back to Signature Soul Brand, Module 2, Day 4 of the program. So today we're going to be getting into Canva designing. And we're going to start to get into and dive into designing your headers and your banners and really the beautiful branding for your launching and for your brand. And so we're going to kind of take all of the many things that we have learned thus far and put it into this space here. So go ahead and start this video when you guys have found your 3 fonts. So that's your header font, your subheader font, and your text font. And from there, this is where this video begins. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. So just a sec, guys. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to come over into Canva. Now, what you're going to see when you get into Canva is on the left-hand side, there's something called Brand Kit. Brand Kit is where you can upload your brand logos, you can upload your brand colors, and you can upload your brand fonts. Now, there's the header font, the subheader font, and the body font, or the text font. And so what I'm going to have you guys do is upload them into here. So upload your header, upload your subheader, and upload your body. And all you have to do is click on the pencil here, drag down, and you can find your fonts that you want to put in. Now, if you end up going into Creative Market and you end up downloading a font from here, so say you go into Creative Market and you look at your fonts, you look for fonts and you find one that you really like, say you like the Signature Collection, and you purchase that, then what you would do is you would find it in your, you'd go over to Canva into these, what says uploaded fonts, and all you have to do is push upload a font. You can search for it. I'm not sure if I have any that I can show, but let's say I would like to upload this font here. It'll say, please confirm the following. You say yes, upload anyway. And boom, bada, bing, you have successfully uploaded a font here. So then you would be able to see all of your uploaded fonts here. So I have a lot of uploaded fonts, as you guys can see. And then you would just come over here and you would find it and create it as your brand font. So you can put your brand colors over here. You can always go and push this plus sign and find new colors, say that that's your color, whatever you want to do, and then it becomes part of my brand design. So obviously I've got a lot of different styles because I work with different clients on different branding, and so right down here, this is mine with all of the beiges and the tans and the golds. And so anyway, now I'll go over into create a design, and we're going to just go ahead and look for Facebook cover. You're going to press on Facebook cover, and today what I'll have you do is you're going to click up here on this little square of background colors. And you're going to see that your brand colors are uploaded on the left-hand side here. Now, for this particular example, I'm going to find one of my brand colors and I'm going to create it as the background. So I have this nice tan color as my background. And then I'm going to go and find one of those photos that I really that I uploaded yesterday as one of my brand photos. This one's taken by Hillary. And I'm going to put it anywhere that I wish to put it. So I'm going to go ahead and put it anywhere. I'm going to drag it to size. And now just for this example, what I'd like you guys to do is go over onto the left-hand side and press text. You're going to click on your header here, and you're going to write your name. Actually, I'm going to write the full name. And it's up to you how you want to write your name. And you can adjust size up here on the top. We're going to, since this is our header, we're going to make it a little bit bigger. Then I'm going to go over into subheader. And for this particular subheader, I want to go back into Signature Soul Brand Module 1 and find my outer identity. So I'm a space holder, an artist, and an entrepreneur. So I'm going to write space holder, artist, entrepreneur. and I'm going to adjust the size of that. I'm just going to drag it right on underneath. Now the nice thing about Canva is you guys can see that there's this line that shows up there, and it kind of just places it right in the center, so I can have it really nicely centered. I'm just going to put a period on the bottom of that. Okay. And then finally, in my body text, I'll click on body text, and what I want to do in my body text is I actually want to write the example for my soul brand. So to empower and educate soulpreneurs to live their brands so that they awaken a new paradigm of limitless expansion and abundance on this planet. Now I'm not going to write that. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to go back into my designs. Let me just find day 5 so that I can just quickly copy and paste that over and in there so you guys don't have to wait for me to type all of that out. So in my body text, and now what I can do too is I can always create it as a little bit smaller by dragging it around here. So I can go like that, or I can go like that, and I'm just going to write it like that. Now you're very, very welcome to explore Canva a little bit for this. If you go over into graphics, you can find different graphics. I'm going to add a line into mine, so I'll put line. Let's say I really like, this line here, and it says free. Some of them are not free, so just make sure you get the one that you want. And then I can put that somewhere around here just to divide it, and then again I can go over and make that into one of my brand colors. I'll put that right smack dab in the middle. I'm going to drag this down a little bit, and there we go. I will push download. I'm going to download it as a PNG, and then I'll upload it for you guys to see into the Facebook page. So go ahead and upload yours when you are done with that, and let's have some fun with this.